Good morning students. Hope all of you are doing good. I, Miss Garima, welcome to RKP online classes. In our previous class, we have studied the place value of each digit in the given number. But today my first topic is expanded form. First of all, we should understand what is the expanded form. So, when you write a number as the sum of place value, when you write a number as the sum of place value, then of its digits, the number is said to be in expanded form. Let's take an example to make this statement clear. This is the number given to you and I want to write it in an expanded form. So, as the definition suggests, expanded form, what is expanded form? It is the sum of place value of its digit. Means sum of place value. First, you have to find the place value and then add it. This will be your expanded form. So, what is its place? If I put in place value chart, what will be its place? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Right? What is the place value of 6? Can you do it directly? As I told you, when you multiply the face value with its place is ones, means I would multiply it with 1. Now place value of 5, digit 5 and multiply with 10, because 10 is its place. 7 is multiplied with 100 because it is at 100 place. Now multiply 9 with the 1000. These are the place value of each digit. I write it here. Now add it. When I add it, what will come? Put a equal sign here. So students, when any number is multiplied with 1000, then put the number here and write how many zeros are there? 3. Then put 3 zeros here. Similarly, plus sign will come also. 7. How many zeros in 100? So 2 zero will come behind the 7. Now 5 into 10, 50, plus 6 into 1, 6. So it is the expanded form of this number. So as the definition suggests, it is the sum of place value of its digit, and this number is said to be in expanded form. So students, hope all of you are understand it. So students, here some questions are given to you and you write the numbers in the expanded form. So shall we start? This number is given to you and I want to write in expanded form. First of all, place it in place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now you can easily multiply the numbers with thousand, hundred, tens and ones. So start from the thousand place. When the digit is 7, and how many zero will come in 1000? 3. So 3 zeros will come behind the 7. Now put an addition sign. 2 is at 100 place. So which 2 is multiplied with what? 100. When you multiply 2 with 100, then 2 zero will come behind the 2. Now put an again addition sign. 1 which number will multiply at ones place? 10. 1 into 10, direct multiply it, put 10 plus में 6. 6 into 1, 6. So you will write directly in its expanded form. Okay. Now let's take another example. First, put it in the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. You must remember when 1000 comes, then you will multiply with 1000. You at 100 place you will multiply with 100. At tens place you will multiply with 10, and at ones place you will multiply with 1. Okay. Now start from the 1000 place. 3000 means 3000. How will you write it? 3000. Put addition sign. Now come to 100 place. 400. 400 plus me 0. If 0 is here, when you multiply 0 with any number, then 0 will come and there is no need to write 0 here. Now come to the ones place. 8 ones means 8 multiplied by 1 is what? 8. So you can directly do this in expanded form. Okay. Hope students you understand it. So do these questions by yourself. Students, you have given the expanded form and you have to write in the standard form. So how do we write it? 2000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 3. First of all, write here place value chart. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Start from the 1000 place. 2000 means what digit will come here? 2. 100 means what digit will come here? 1 at 100 place. Now 70. What digit will come at tens place? 7. And at ones place? 3. This is your standard form. Okay. It's easy now. Now read 2173. Every time read the numbers that comes before you. Okay. Now come to the second question. 1000 plus 8. First of all, write here place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now come first of all at 1000 place. 1000. What digit will come at 1000 place? 1. There is no 100, no tens, only 8. Means only 8 had come at ones place. So at 100 place and at tens place, what will you write? 0. Hope students you understand it. This is the expanded form and this is the standard form. These both questions are opposite to each other. Hope students you understand it. So do these questions by yourself. Now students, we have given some numbers and you have to write in the place value chart. So it's easy question, you have done it before. Okay. So first of all, put it in place value chart. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Okay. Start from the 1000 place. 3000. What digit will come here? 3 at the 1000 place. Now 200. At 100 place what digit will come? 2. You can read now. 3200 as I told you. 10. What digit will come here? 1. And at ones place what digit will come? 2. Now you can read 3212. Now come to this question. First of all, put it in the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Start from the thousand place. 4,000. What digit will come at thousand place? 4. At hundred place, 300. So what digit will come? 300. Now at tens place, 20. Means 2 will come at tens place. At ones place, what digit will come? 1. So students, hope you all understand it. This is a very simple questions. Now student, do these questions by yourself.